At the end of the day, you're another day older, and that's all you can say for the life of the poor. It's a struggle, it's a war, and there's nothing that anyone's giving. One more day standing about, what is it for? One day less to be living. At the end of the day, you're another day colder, and the right that the left to the peace and the chill. And the right dogs are reversed. They don't hear the little ones crying, and the winter is coming on fast, it's ready to kill. When they near to dying, at the end of the day you're left in the warning, and the sun in the morning is waiting to rise. Like the waves crash on the sand, like a storm that break any second. There's a hunger in the land, there's a reckoning still to be reckoned, and it's gonna be hell to pay at the end of the day. And what have we here, dear innocent sister? Come on, Fantine, let's have all the news. Dear Fantine, you must say us more money. Your Chinese are doctor, they know them to lose. I dream a dream in time gone by, when hope was high and life worth living. I dreamed that love would never die. I dreamed that God would be forgiven. Then I was young and unafraid, and dreams were made and used and wasted. There was no ransom to be paid, no song unsung, no wine untasted. But the tigers come at night, with their voices soft as thunder, as they tear your hope apart, as they turn your dream to shame.